namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of art with a twist, painting with tissue paper. And hey, it's not just any tissue paper we are talking about, the kind you might find stuffed in your takeaway bags from Domino's or any other food place. Yes, the very same tissue paper that has been sitting there for years just waiting to be turned into something magical. Now you might be wondering how on earth can tissue paper turn into art? Well my friends, let me show you. But first, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can miss out on our creative adventures. So firstly, dive into your drawing part. Draw whatever you want to draw. I went for the cute creature, but that didn't work for me, so I went for the bunny. Yeah. So grab your tissue paper, the kind you would typically use to wipe your tears after watching a sad movie, or the one you find tucked inside your pizza delivery box. Tear it into tiny pieces. Now that you have got your confetti ready, it's time to get messy. Dip those tissue paper pieces into water like you are giving them a little tissue paper spa treatment. But don't leave them in there too long. We are not making tissue paper soup. Once your tissue paper bits had their spa day, fish them out and shake off the excess water. We want them damp, not dripping wet. We are making art, not a soggy mess. Now here comes the fun part, adding colors. Grab your favorite paints and start mixing them with your damn tissue paper pieces. It's like finger painting but with tissue paper instead. Trust me, it's way less messy. And now for the magic ingredient, glue. Add a generous amount of glue to your colorful tissue paper concussion and mix it all together until you got a gooey colorful masterpiece. It's like creating your very own tissue paper potion. Just don't try to eat it. And your tissue paper paste is ready to go. Here I am adding my tissue paper paste in the bunny. So firstly I am adding the base with the white color. So I will show you my process in fast forward speed because it's very easy and you can see how I am doing it. And ignore my head in some places. I went near the camera too much. So yeah. You can see how long it takes to add the bits and pieces to make it a masterpiece. So here I am almost completed. I'll jump into the ears and that's it for the base. So here I have completed the base. Oh my goodness. Can you see the texture? And now with the same process I will create the pink. Yeah, adding the pink, and this will go in the blush and the inside of the ears. You can see I am adding small bits and chunks to add a shape and structure to it. And lastly I'll add the black for the eyes and nose. First eyes and then nose. First is done, jumping into the second. We are creating panda next. So yeah, again with the same process, I'll go with the base first with the white color. adding the glue, adding the color, mixing it well, and going with the base. The base takes so long. Ignore my head in some places, please. Sorry for that. Yeah, and I'll let it dry for a bit, and then I'll add the black in the panda. So yeah, I'm sitting it dry, and we are jumping it to the third. It's an egg. Yeah, so same process, adding the base, then I'll add the color. So adding the white, then I'll go with the yellow. I was not getting the perfect yellow I wanted, but yeah, it will work. So the yellow color, mix it well, add it into the face, like the yolk part of the egg. Yeah, and that's it. Letting it sit. Again, back to the panda, adding the black in the ears and the eyes and the nose. Oops, I dropped it. Yeah, so adding the ears. It takes a long time to go with the bits, but yeah, it's worth it at the last. Trust me. Now going with the eyes, and then the nose, and we are going with again the egg, adding the eyes and the blush. That's it. Our egg is ready. Isn't it cute? The second panda, and then the first bunny. And there you have it. 3 unique artworks all created with the power of tissue paper. Remember, art knows no bounds, neither does creativity. So go ahead, grab some tissue paper and let your imagination run wild. Let me know in the comments below which one do you like the most. So bye bye. Thank you so much for joining me today on this colorful journey. Don't forget to like, comment and share your own tissue paper creation with me on the Insta handle linked below in the description. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired and keep on painting with passion. Thank you.